Hey guys, what's up? It's Sai, Mr. Beast here. Today I'm going to show you how to tackle a problem which a lot of people might be having problems with is when on stream there's a lot of background noise. Obviously you can use the onboard filters such as noise gate and stuff like that, but it's not going to give you the best results. Today I'm going to show you how to get the best results on the internet. I mean, this is actually the best. So you can see that I have a lot of background noise because this is a very cheap mic from my local store. It isn't even branded, so if I stop talking, you're going to hear a lot of background noise, which I'm going to show you how to fix in this. So first of all, you want to go to this website called reaper.fm/replugs. You can just search replugs on Google and you should go to this website. Once you have opened it, go and hit replugs VST 64-bit, or if you're 32-bit you can hit that. Once you've done that, you should get replugs times 64 install. So install it. It might need you to restart your computer, but once you've done that, it's actually installed. There isn't any standalone app, but instead it's actually a software which Streamlabs will detect. Make sure you don't install it somewhere else. Just let it do it at the normal one, so that Streamlabs knows where to find it. So it'll automatically suggest you where to download it and just download it over there. Now once you have done that, go to the gear icon. So make sure this is, let's say this is your mic. You might have another mic or maybe another, so make sure you find the one which is your mic. Hit the gear icon, which is actually the settings. Hit filters. So this is where you're gonna add your replugs as a VST plugin. So you can see I have already mine installed, but I'm going to, for this tutorial, I'm gonna do another one. So VST plugin, and then I'm gonna actually do this as noise. I'm gonna name it noise, and once I've hit done, you shouldn't see any change, but still, once you have done that VST plugin, you want to please select the plugin, and you want to go down to reverb standalone. This is what gonna eliminate the background noise. So once you've done that, you want to hit open interface when active. You might want to check out, you might want to turn it on. It's actually a preference. So make sure the eyeball is on and it's not like crossed. Hit open plug in interface. You should get over here. So you don't want to touch any settings, but even if you do, just hit the reset button and it should come back to normal. All you want to do is hit points. You want to hit the points and then change it to precise, because you want the best performance as possible. And then you want to go to mode, and then you want to hit So you can see I did it for 10 seconds, but I think better for this tutorial, but I think it would be better if you do it for 15 to 20 seconds so that it covers the best possible. Or even if you do 1 minute, it's actually going to give you the best performance. It's what you want. So once you've done that, you can see that if I just move this over, you can see that my mic aux doesn't cover any more background noise, and it's so much better and it's so much cleaner. You can see, so it eliminates all the background noise. This is one, and obviously you can have these if you want. I mean, it just does everything automatically for you. So I was actually looking for one of these, then came across this one, which is actually one of the best. Then you might want to add your other filters, compressor. It works with everything. So yeah, that's it. Now your mic is fixed. You should not have any more background noise. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to sub to my channel right over here. And if you want to follow me on Twitch, that's all right too. It's the same, Mr. Beast. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out.